What's going on, guys? Today we're opening up 25 of the latest and greatest Hot Wheels toy cars, but you know I like to share, so here are the winners of my latest 3 giveaways. Congratulations to the winners and thank each and every one of you for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's open up these new Hot Wheels. So there we have it, guys, 25 of the brand new Hot Wheels cars, including the 2018 Q Case and 2019 A Case Hot Wheels vehicles. We've got a lot more Hot Wheels cars to open up, so if you want to see more unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.